It's here again. Look. Ayan, buhay province guys. Ang baba ng buko. Yeah, buko. Sige, if you want buko juice, fresh buko, you can get here.
And there's
no need to.
Here.
Yeah, and there's another buko there. Buko tree.
Yes.
Hi. It's orange color. Yeah, if you want to get, okay, no need to make cut. No need to make cut in the puno there.
Look.
Yeah, there's another cut. Duck. May puno ng mangga. Buhay province, guys. Yeah, what's going on? There's some egg and the duck also there inside. What do you have there? Fish pan?
No.
You have a fish pan?
No.
What's that?
We have swimming pool for the ducks.
That's the swimming pool.
For the ducks.
That's DJ swimming pool.
No, that's the swimming pool for the ducks.
I thought it's your swimming pool.
No, that's for the ducks.
It's the duck. Wow, there's a swimming pool for the duck. Look, no water.
Yes, and look at our palog is so dirty.
Yeah, the palog here is so dirty. Okay, let's go up.
Many ducks because it's already in the outside.
It's already outside or it's already in the freezer? You kill the duck?
Look.
Oh, there's a duck and you have a mini duck?
Yes.
And the chicken?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. You feed them. You give food. You give feeds.
We have lots.
Yeah. What's that? Oh. You get the chicken. And then give medicine. Go chicken, run chicken, run. Run chicken, run. Run chicken, run. Tired na, tired. Oh.
We have sunoy here.
Yeah, you have sunoy?
Look, we have sunoy.
There have a sunoy out inside.
Like this.
There's a lot of chicken inside.
And we have another sunoy.
Allah. Yeah.
Yes.
Come on.
Let's go upstairs. And let's just open.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And this, let's just close because there's no manok.
No, it's okay. It's just let open
And this,
so that they will go inside.
wag na.
Boy.
Kasi naibuha ba tita?
Oh, you try.
No.
Try to.
Look at that fresh eggs.
Wow, so many eggs inside. So many eggs in her tummy. Look, she might angry.
See, look at that. She's
Don't do that. Yeah.
She's angry.
She might galit.
She's angry. So angry.
Yeah.
Oy, there's
she's
that.
angry.
And there's lubi.
What? There's a lubi.
Yes, inside.
There's lubi inside.
Said that, no, this is my baby. Oh, egg.
Oh, there's another egg there.
Shoo. Tara.
No, you get the egg.
No. Tabay ko.
Get the egg.
Adlo ko.
Oo, don't make tamak-tamak to the iti.
Shoo.
Oh, it's so big.
Shoo.
Asa nagikan?
Big.
Where they came from? The egg. It's uyog na already. It's broke. Sira na.
Dito na lang.
Oh, she want to throw the egg of the duck. Maybe it's not good anymore. You hold like that and then where you throw? Pak! It's so baho.